I want to show you this Zoom to YouTube upload to Google Doc automation. And basically what it does is that it watches for a Zoom recording, and by the end, that Zoom recording gets uploaded to YouTube, and you get the full transcript of the entire meeting. This could work for you if you're doing sales meetings. You could instantly get key summary takeaways. If you have a meeting that goes recurring every single week, like for example, me and Mike doing right now, you can take that, get the transcript, and then you can obviously do a lot of things after you created that transcript. But I wanted to kind of show the first step here. So this goes a little bit more into the data analysis and gathering. So I kind of explained it all. It's not a big automation that is really that hairy. The things to watch out for are the download cloud recording and when the recording are complete. But yeah, I'm gonna share everything step by step now. So you could set this up from scratch if you wanted to. So in the beginning, we start by watching a Zoom recording. And the way you do this is to add a recording stopped. So here, the recording stopped, you would check that out, or you would check this box. There is also recording completed. I tried both of them, and both of them work very similarly. So you can toggle either one. I wouldn't take both. And then you have a webhook.
Can I just say something on this? Is recording stopped? Will this trigger when you stop the recording, like part way through, for example, if you wanted to pause it? Will this trigger as well?
A pause is actually its own action. So if you want to, you could have recording paused and recording resumed. I wonder what type of data you get from that, but it might be some timestamp data. You can kind of, 10 minutes, you get a timestamp data. I don't really know. But the cool part is that what we do is we take that, and this being a watch recordings, we then use another module, these two being exactly the same, that downloads a cloud recording. This one in the top, it downloads the video. So it's a MP4 file. On the bottom one, we download the audio. And this is a M4A file. So the reason we need this is because when we do the Whisper, create a transcription, we need an audio file. So we take the video file, we take the audio file, and then we just pop it into upload file in Google. And how that looks like for me is this document right here. If I just go into my AI made recordings, I will get all of these three here being the exact same of an MP4, an M4A, and the transcript. Now, I only did short testing here. This is the first time I'm actually going to test the cloud recording. Hey, as you can see, I am here in the house watching boxing. Mike Tyson, Jake Paul. Did you watch it, Mike?
No, I didn't. Actually, I was too busy. Too busy automating. See.
Terrible fight. Can say that pretty clearly. I was all in for Mike, but round two, you could see him getting tired, and after that, you could see that Jake Paul wasn't allowed to knock him out. So he's like, jab, jab, back out, jab, jab, back out. Anyways. Other than that, you upload the files to Google Drive, and then we have this YouTube upload. This is really cool because sometimes you might want to upload a file to Google Drive to share it internally. But if you want to, for example, share it to school like we do, we need a YouTube URL. So that one we get from YouTube. The second thing we do is we upload the MP3. It's not actually an MP3 file, it's an M4A. I'm not so familiar with this audio file, but it is what it is. And the file you get is actually the download a cloud recording. So that's from this module right here. We use the Whisper. The prompt is transcribe this audio file, and the response format is JSON. After that, it creates a Google document that literally has the text recording. It also has the recording name and start time, which is the time, which is the format that I want to name the file. And bada bing, bam, your Bob's name is Uncle. And your uncle is an automator. That's
Nice.
for sure. Your Bob's name is Uncle.
That's gonna be the title of this recording. Your Bob's name is Uncle.
And with only 3 minutes left on the clock, I have showed you a perfect Zoom to Google Docs. Again, this can be implemented in instant meeting summary. So if you have a meeting every week, boom, you get a transcript. And obviously, you could add another module here that creates key insights. We had a sales bot thing before that was like, what is the goal of the customer? What is the problem that they're facing currently? So that was the second question. Did they end up purchasing? All of these things are things you can actually get from ChatGPT from that instant meeting summary. So it's really cool to have that in the work flow.